Welcome back. There is no end to crisis in Haryana. Bhupinder Singh Hooda has claimed that the minority BJP dispensation should resign on moral grounds. Even JJP and INLD have penned letter to the governor to call a session of the house and demanded a floor test. INLD also demanded that if the floor test does not take place, the precedent rule must be imposed in the state.
डेलीगेशन जाएगा हमारे विधायक लेके जाएंगे हम तो 30 इकट्ठे हैं वो है कि नहीं है ये देखने वाली बात है। अगर ये बेहतर होता कि 10 के 10 एमएलए परेड करते गवर्नमेंट हमारे तो इस साल भी जाएंगे कोई डाउट गवर्नमेंट का होगा तो उस परेड भी करा देंगे हम। दूसरा मौजूदा सरकार जो है वो अपमत में आ गई है। अब नैतिकता के आधार पर इसको तुरंत इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए। राष्ट्रपति शासन करके डिमांडिंग फ्रेश इलेक्शन।
हरियाणा में जिस प्रकार से 3 निर्दलीय विधायकों ने भाजपा से समर्थन वापस लेकर कांग्रेस पार्टी को समर्थन देने का काम किया है, मौजूदा भाजपा सरकार हरियाणा की अल्पमत में आ गई है। अल्पमत की सरकार है। अल्पमत की सरकार को कोई नैतिक अधिकार नहीं है। ये सरकार तुरंत इस्तीफा दे नैतिकता के आधार पर, और यदि इस्तीफा नहीं देती तो राज्यपाल महोदय को मामले का संज्ञान लेते हुए हरियाणा में राष्ट्रपति शासन लगाकर निष्पक्षता से चुनाव कराना चाहिए, हमारी मांग है।
Huddle in JJP camp. We're getting you a big inside scoop. Looks like there is a split in JJP MLAs, and we're given to understand that JJP MLAs are strategizing against Dushyant Chautala to change the legislative leader of JJP. JJP MLAs gathering majority of 6 to replace Dushyant Chautala, and 4 MLAs of JJP already are against Dushyant Chautala. That's what we're given to understand. 2 more have joined the rebels camp. We have Amandeep getting us more details. Amandeep, while these parties in Haryana, the opposition parties are demanding a floor test, reports coming in of a crack within the JJP.
Well, absolutely, Swati. This is the insight from our sources, and in fact, 4 MLAs of JJP are already against the party. They met Manohar Lal Khattar yesterday in Panipat to strategize to save the government. But now what we are given to understand is that 2 more MLAs are joining the camp of JJP rebels, and in fact, they are planning to put down Dushyant Chautala as a legislative leader so that he should not be able to issue the whip during the floor test as well. So far, Dushyant Chautala is having that authority to issue the whip. He is a leader, legislative leader of JJP party. But now the situation is getting changed. Those MLAs are getting together, and what we are given to understand from our sources is they are planning to write a letter to Speaker of Haryana Vidhan Sabha Assembly, mentioning 6 MLAs with the support to another MLA who would be the leader, legislative leader, and putting down Dushyant Chautala from the leader of legislative party JJP. And in fact, this development would be a major setback if it takes place, just because they are strategizing, they are planning, they are holding the meetings, and even they are planning to write down a letter to Speaker to Haryana Vidhan Sabha with the signature of 6
Stay on with us, Amandeep. As we speak, we're getting some breaking inputs, and we're given to understand that Congress MLAs are heading to the Governor House. At least 5 MLAs are on their way to Chandigarh to meet the Governor, but the Governor is yet to confirm this meeting. Amandeep, has time been given by the Governor? Is this meeting confirmed?
Well, Swati, so far there is no confirmation from the side of Governor, but Congress has decided, and Congress MLAs have started from their different constituencies to Chandigarh, and in fact they are waiting for the confirmation from the side of Governor. 4 to 5 MLAs are already en route to Chandigarh, and even the Congress MLAs have decided, in case Governor would not be giving time to them to take the memorandum, they will hand over the memorandum to the Secretary of Governor with mentioning that the first is that floor test should be take place in the assembly, and then impose the president rule, just because BJP have lost the majority, and later early elections would be mentioned in that memorandum.
And Bhupinder Singh Hooda in fact had written to the Governor seeking time. Let's listen in to what he said earlier. Stay on with us.
आगे की राजनीति हमने तो मांग कर रखी है कि ये सरकार माइनॉरिटी में है और हॉर्स ट्रेनिंग ना हो, इस वास्ते राष्ट्रपति शासन लगाकर और चुनाव कराए। जो कि वो तो हम भी क्या नहीं है, हमारे तो आज सरकार माइनॉरिटी में है, तो हमने गवर्नर साहब से आग्रह किया है कि इसको नैतिकता तौर पे कि सरकार को इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए और गवर्नर साहब से आग्रह किया है राष्ट्रपति शासन लगा के चुनाव कराएंगे, फर्स्ट मैंडेट ले।
We'll keep on getting you all the inside details on how things are transpiring on ground in Haryana politics. For the moment, we're taking a very short break. Amandeep, thank you for getting us the details.